gravitational potential. Gravitational potential. Gravitational potential. Gravitational potential at a point in a gravitational field. Gravitational potential at a point in a gravitational field of a body. In a gravitational field of a body is defined as the amount of work done. Is defined as the amount of work done in bringing another body of unit mass from infinity to that point. Now in the diagram we have a given body, and test body is brought from infinity to the point A, and in this case the gravitational potential at the point A in the gravitational field of the given body of mass capital M is given by capital V. V equal work done in bringing a test body of unit mass under bracket M prime equal 1 from infinity, means from the point D to that point A. We have to find V, that is gravitational potential at a distance r from given body of mass M at the point A. For that we can move test body of unit mass from the point D, means from infinity to the point A, and in this case test body is brought from the point D to A, means from infinity to the point A. The test body is brought from infinity to the point A. In that case gravitational potential, therefore V equal minus gm by r. That is the gravitational potential at a distance r from the body of mass capital M. V equal minus gm by r. Now we can explain the gravitational potential again. This is a given body of mass capital M, and we consider a test body. Capital M is the mass of a given body. Consider a test body of unit mass, that means M prime equal 1. Test body has unit mass which is at the point D, means which is at an infinite distance from the given body. The test body is brought from infinity to the point A, and r is the distance of the test body or distance of the point A. In this case gravitational potential V at the point A is V equal minus gm by r. Now the gravitational potential, that means V equal minus gm by r, is a scalar quantity. And its unit is joule per kg.